name is Xavier Randall. I'm an owner of a turbocharged Honda S2000, and the car is originally built for autocross, but I'm going to venture out to doing more time attack this year. I want to give you a little insight on the modifications done to the outside of the vehicle, starting out with the Aerodynamic Kit that I pieced together. The front bumper is a Voltex replica bumper with a carbon fiber lip. Wide body stuff, I went with a friend of mine's composite company, Industry Garage, front flares. Then on the rear, we're running the, I think they're ASR or I forget, I think it's ASR flares. For the wheels, I went with SSR GTX 01 style wheel with Toyo tires, which is the RAAARs. For the big brake kit, I went with a company called APG. They were kind enough to send me out a kit to install in the vehicle. Give you a little more on the engine work. Still stock engine, turbocharged with the Garrett GTX turbo, all Mishimoto cooling because they're the best personally for me. So for the exhaust setup, I went with the side exit custom down pipe, comes out the fender of the vehicle. And to clean everything up, went with a Wireworks engine harness, which it has all the wires in a clean area, so you really don't have to deal with too many eyesores. Now that I gave you a little insight on my vehicle, the real reason why I'm here today at Dentless Touch was because I needed to get a few dents repaired on the hood of my vehicle, and I would like to have the car prepared for Honda Day without any major flaws. And I don't know too much in detail about PDR, but I know it is a great option rather than having to spend long times at body shops to deal with paint and body work. So I'm gonna let Chris step on in. And
what we're gonna do is try to get to the back side of the panel, which is the hood. Primarily his damage is in the kind of front hood area. There's a high spot here. Probably he left the tool on that one, most likely.
That one I did.
Okay,
so these two,
normally that's the case. But these little small imperfections, we're gonna go ahead and take care of them for them.
Yeah, it's another one.
That's gonna be it.
But
These
yeah,
cars don't run. I think they don't run the liner. If not, a lot of people.
Yeah, I took it out.
Yeah, take it out anyway. So. So we're gonna get on the back side. You see there's really no access because this is braced up. They do this to support the hinge.
So basically this is just a hood prop that's just gonna hold it up so I can get the hood at a better angle for me to work it.
You got this big bay light to help you view.
So yeah, this light is basically just gonna help me see all the damage that's right here on your vehicle. As you can see, there's a little bit of wave coming here that we can get cleaned up for you, make it a little bit better. But yeah, it basically highlights everything. You can see everything.
You was telling me earlier, it's like the quickest way to view a dent is through the reflections or something like that.
Yeah, so when you use the lines and stuff, that's going to be the easiest way. Use the reflection from lines, just like we have here on the board. Mm-hmm. It's going to be easy.
Is that what that board is for?
Yeah.
Or just a secret tip?
Kind of, sort of. So basically this is here, so when I over push the metal past flat, this just helps me knock the metal right back down, so that way everything will come out nice and flat and even.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I want to thank everybody for watching this long. I have truly enjoyed actually editing and filming this video. Xavier's vehicle is amazing. I remember when he first bought that car about 9 years ago. Anyway, I'll leave a link to his channel. It's more of an automotive import based channel where he builds these drift cars and race cars. So if you're interested in that, you can jump onto his channel and give him a follow. But again, guys, thanks for watching. I'm sorry if this video didn't have, as much information as my last videos, but I enjoyed actually doing the editing and filming on this one. So just a little bit of me in this video as far as creativity. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.